friends, welcome to psl-comprehensive. Like my videos, then subscribe. And to get notified as soon as I upload a video, click on the bell icon. Like, share and comment to my videos.
In this video, we shall check the unboxing of the stylus used for mobile. ELV Fine Point 2nd generation. The price mentioned over here is 1569, but I got this from Amazon for 499. You can get the link in the description. Here it's a black color, it's available in other colors too. Let's check inside the box. There's a cover. In the cover we find the stylus itself and the tiny box, which has the extra nib for further use. Let's check the nib. It's a kind of stainless steel and it has a silicone cover to it so that there won't be any scratches on the mobile display. And coming to the stylus, it's heavy at one end, light at the nib side. It's simple matte kind of finish on the top. On the top of the stylus it has a ELV branding. Going to the bottom it has a cap with a silver line. And this is a nib which is there inside the stylus and it's flexible. And this extra nib is going to be replaced over there. So now let's test how it's going to work on mobile. It feels easy to operate and the mobile is also responsive very accurately. Now we shall check how it is going to do if we are doing some paintings. I'm using a sketch app here to check the painting. Overall experience, I feel it's lagging sometimes. Take 1 second gap while doing it. I think it's not so clear for you guys to view in that angle, but I'm surely going to upload some painting videos soon from the mobile so that you can see it. The response time is not so great. Sometimes it's not responding very nicely. We need to repeat it again and again. I would say it's 90% great at overall performance, but sometimes it's lagging. So that's it for the video guys. See you in the next video.